Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Let's Pack Your Bag, and today we are in Universal, Florida, and we are going to try the most famous ride of the park, Hulk Ride. So here we have entered into a different island of heroes, and incredible Hulk coaster which looks insane even from far away. We are going towards it. The wait time for this ride was 50 minutes today, which was still okay because this is one of the most famous ride in the park. Check out the full individual POVs of every ride of Universal in our channel. Link is given below in the description box. You can also watch our one full day ultimate guide for Universal Studios and Island of Adventure. Video links are given in description box. Instead of slowly climbing a hill, the coaster launches you towards a rocket. Within a second, you are upside down and you are in the loops. There are so many zero gravity moments, wind blasting your face at crazy speed. This ride is totally insane. It's intense, loud, and absolutely legendary experience. So this was our today's video. If you liked our video, don't forget to press the like button. To join us on this adventurous journey, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Have a great one.